This creator generated 60 million views in 3 months when he stopped recording videos. Instead, he replaced the entire filming process with a brand new AI workflow that halved his production time and doubled his uploads overnight. But can I use this exact same method to go viral as well? Now, I want you to watch this video on screen very closely. What do you see? It is a vertical video covering trending AI news that currently has over 3 million views on LinkedIn. Let's skip to another video from the same creator. It's another trending AI news video that also has millions of views. But what if I told you that the host of these videos is not actually real?
This little guy is not me. This is Synthesia.
Ruben Hassid is a LinkedIn creator with over 800,000 followers, and at this point he was already posting one video every single day. But he had a hunch that if he could double his output of videos to 2 or more per day, he could also massively increase his views and followers.
I always had this idea to cover a daily news every morning because I don't want my content to be about news per se. So my main content is about me experiencing with AI and sharing like guides. But I still had like so much news and people were asking me so much about what's the latest things that happen right now around AI. So VO2 just got out, Whisk just got out, Synthesia is launching a new feature.
But anybody who's ever made content knows that writing, filming, editing, and posting on that sort of upload schedule is pretty hard to reach.
It's just impossible to do it. I'm posting one video every morning at my 8 a.m. on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and LinkedIn. I can't record that many videos, that many audios.
So thankfully, AI is now creating brand new time-saving workflows, and AI avatars are now so lifelike that even Ruben's most loyal followers didn't even notice that he'd been replaced by an AI avatar that he created with Synthesia.
Like, more people knows my avatar from Synthesia than my real self. In total, since I started using Synthesia, so I started like about 3 months ago, I made 60 million views. With the most views from a video, I made like 5-point-something million views. If you check my most viewed posts on LinkedIn, all of them are one and only in Synthesia. Actually, you can see on my impression graph when I started using Synthesia. Like, could you guess when I started using Synthesia?
And his content creation engine using Synthesia is actually pretty simple. He jumped onto trending AI news within his space, wrote a script, and generated his Synthesia avatar to perform it in a fraction of his normal filming time. He didn't need to be in the studio or even get dressed for filming.
I went from posting once a day to twice a day with every morning a Synthesia video. And look, my top 3 videos are literally Synthesia, 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 Synthesia. So yeah.
But is it actually possible for anybody to use this framework? And can I now make my own viral video using an AI avatar without anybody noticing that I'm AI? Well, I actually tried this exact experiment towards the end of last year, and the results are pretty interesting. And all I needed to do to get started was find a trending topic for this channel that you're watching right now. And in November, some huge news dropped in the world of tech. OpenAI launched Sora 2 and the video started going insanely viral. And the main thing that people were searching for at that time was how to actually access Sora 2 without an invite code. So I saw my chance to make a tutorial video for how to find an invite code to use the platform. To make an AI avatar with Synthesia, you can either just upload an image of yourself that you already have, or upload a few minutes of yourself talking into the camera, which is what I did. To stay consistent with the rest of my channel, I decided to make my avatar clone in my normal studio with this blue background and my normal microphone. Now, you can just paste the script into the box here to use the voice clone generated with Synthesia itself, but Ruben used a slightly different method. He created a variety of voice clones in 11 labs to create the most realistic voice clone of himself, exported that audio from there, uploaded it into Synthesia, and his Synthesia AI clone then lip syncs with that audio. For my experiment, I did something slightly different. I actually just recorded my real voice into my microphone, exported that as a WAV file, and uploaded that into Synthesia. So my AI avatar will use my real recorded voice. It will just lip sync to it. So just to show you what it looks like, when I exported my avatar as a raw file, it looked like this. First, check the OpenAI Discord server, just keep refreshing and watch the chat. If that doesn't work, try searching for Sora 2 invite code on X, where people are constantly posting their codes. Now, here's the thing, Synthesia's technology is really good, but it's not absolutely perfect every single time. Sometimes the lip sync is a little bit off, and sometimes the avatar will make strange movements that just don't look real. In fact, no AI tool gets it right every single time, and this is a key part of the process that I think a lot of people miss.
I think this is a misconception of AI, and I struggle with this myself. With Synthesia, I generate one avatar and it should be perfect. I'm like, this is not how AI works. What's awesome is that, and this is what I tell my team when they use Synthesia, I'm like, you have the audio, generate 10 avatars and 5 avatars, and then look at them. How's the energy? What's nice is that you have different ones of me, and it was literally just a button to click, you know? Like, how easy was that? You just click on generate. We select different avatars, and I have different t-shirt. I can have different background. I have maybe a different voice. And now I can be the human curator of what's good with taste and experience at a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the time. I would generate 5, 6, 7 times. After that, I would patchwork the good part together. You know, I had different versions. I take the introduction of this one, I take the end of this one because it was the right energy, and I just patched it together.
So this is exactly what I did. I generated several different versions of my avatar, which all had a slightly different performance, and then uploaded them all to Final Cut Pro, where I just chose the best takes. And then I just carried on editing the video like I normally would, adding my screen recordings and animations until it was ready to upload. Now, before I show you how the video did, I just want to make something very clear. It wasn't the AI avatar technology in of itself that made Ruben go viral. In fact, Ruben still made videos every single day starring his real self, which makes the AI avatar more of a productivity accelerator rather than a direct replacement. It just allowed him to make even more videos than normal. The best way to think about AI avatars is as an extension of your real self.
What Synthesia is copying, and this is probably something people don't understand. Synthesia is not producing a completely new Ruben out of thin air. It's actually how I behave in front of a screen.
And the most amazing thing about this whole process is that it actually worked. This YouTube short is one of the most viewed videos on this channel. As of right now, it has 98.5 million views, with the vast majority of them coming within that first month or so, which perfectly lines up with the Sora 2 trend. And if you check the comments, of which there is hundreds, you'll notice that not one person mentions that I might be an AI avatar. In fact, the very first frame in this video, so the first thing that people see when they swipe onto it, is my AI avatar speaking. And over 80% of people carried on watching after that point. So just to make sure this wasn't a fluke, I went ahead and made a second video as well using the exact same method. And that one also did pretty well. So if you're looking for an in-depth guide for how to create your very first AI avatar and you want it to look as realistic as possible, you should watch this tutorial right here.